everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So as you probably already know, today we are unboxing the June Allure Beauty Box. So I've seen some unboxing videos, I'm not gonna lie, and it doesn't seem like this is gonna be the best month, but I'm trying to keep an open mind. We'll see what we get in here. If you do not know what Allure Beauty Box is, it is obviously a beauty subscription. Your first month is $10 and then it is $15 a month thereafter. And right now, if you sign up, you get like one of my favorite items ever, the Sunday Riley CEO oil. I was like considering signing up with a different account just to get the oil, but then I like felt guilty. I don't know if that's like a good thing to do. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on that. But yeah, if you haven't signed up yet and you're into this box, if you've been kind of on the fence, you do get a really good bonus item that's worth like $40, and it's personally my favorite face oil, but I just thought I'd let you guys know. But anyways, let's get unboxing and see what's in here and see if it is worth the $15. When I open it up, this is what I see. So there's like a $20 gift card for Bauble Bar. I actually do really like their jewelry, so that's cool if you're interested in buying anything. And then there is the usual pamphlet. Usually there's a pretty medal on here for the month, and then some information inside on the products. They don't give actually like too much information. It's more like the editor's thoughts on the products and why they chose them. So every month we get like a clear bag, and I actually like this like neon green we got this month, and it's always clear. Like I think I just said it was clear, but so you can keep these to use for like travel or do whatever you want with them. For a while they were like made a little bit more flimsy, but they've changed the packaging up a little bit. Oh, it looks like there's another little thing in here, some more like advertising, and one of the items is outside of the bag. So why don't we start with the item that's outside the bag. This is the SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. I actually just got this in another box. I was trying to think what one I got it in. It might be Birchbox, I don't know. I haven't gotten the chance to try it out yet. I'll probably throw this into my giveaway unless I try my other one and I like love it. So anyways, if you do not know, I recently hit 5,000 subscribers, and I am going to host a big giveaway super soon. I'm just waiting on some packages. They're supposed to be here this week. So, well, actually they were supposed to be here yesterday. They're still not here. So hopefully today, so that video will be up super soon. But in the meantime, I'm throwing some extra things in it that I received. So I do like dry shampoo. And the 3-in-1, like it says, it's supposed to volume, refresh, and hold, so that is very intriguing. Let's see what it says in here. It says, SGX presents the Do It All Dry Shampoo meets Hairspray. And then it just says the ingredients. So I think this was like an extra this month. I heard someone say that. So cool. It seems like in subscription boxes, some items just like make their rounds like in all the boxes, and I think this might be one of them at the moment. Have you guys tried this? Let me know if it works well. Anyways, let's get into the actual bag and the actual products for the month of June. So the first thing I'm pulling out is by Floss, and I think this is the lip gloss, and this is in the shade Yule. Y-U-L. I don't know if that is focusing. That is the outer packaging. We're getting so many glosses lately in boxes, but I'm not mad at that because I'm really into glosses. I'm actually wearing one now. I'm wearing the Lemonade gloss by Kristen Dominique that we got in Box 2 Box. Ooh, this is cool packaging. You guys see this? It's like clear. So it says, my new favorite lip gloss. I've never had anything by the company Floss. I'm not even sure I've heard of it. Smells good. Lip glosses always smell like frosting and stuff, or like cupcakes or something you'd find in a bakery. So this is like clear with maybe like a little tint. Yeah, mine just looks totally clear, which is fine. You can put this over anything you want. So I'm not even sure you'll be able to see it, but it's just like a clear. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. So let's learn more about it. And by the way, this is definitely full size. So one good thing about Allure is that you do get full size items, and it is a relatively affordable subscription. All right, so Floss, this is $16. So this is more than the box, and I actually will use this, so that's awesome. And then, like I said, in here, they just kind of talk about why they chose it, so I'm not going to read all the descriptions. For a lot of the items, they do include promo codes, so if you ever are interested, just leave a comment down below and I will share that with you. So let's move on to the next item. So next up is something by or Avene, let's just say, I can't pronounce their name. This is thermal spring water. I actually have the full size of this, so I am going to be putting this in my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So here is my full size. I've actually been using this a lot to wet my sponge when I'm like too lazy to get up and go to the bathroom and wet it, or if I'm just using it quickly for like concealer or something like that. I know this is not cruelty free, so I've been trying to use it up, and I feel like I've had this for a while. I must have gotten this full size in a subscription box in the past. Pretty much everything I own is from the subscription box. But the travel size, or the sample size they gave, isn't too small. I think you'll get some good use out of it, but it's pretty much like just like water. Like I said, typically use it just to wet sponges and stuff, but I have used it just to spray my face as a refresher and stuff like that. Like, I don't think it'll really like set your makeup, but it definitely will put some moisture in your face if you are in need of it. Maybe your makeup's feeling a little too matte. But let's read more about this, or I guess get the pricing because they don't say too much. So the full size is $18.50, and yeah, one of you guys will be winning this. Next up is an eye cream, and this definitely seems full size. This is by Context, another brand I don't think I'm familiar with. This is a vitamin C all day eye cream. I'm loving vitamin C facial products, so this is cool. Looks like the ingredients aren't too bad. I'll have to look into it further, but let's learn more about this. So wow, this is $35. That's crazy. So I guess this is slightly cooling and never irritating, and they use it for midday touch-ups and to wipe away mascara smudges. I've never really used eye cream that way, so that's a good idea. And yeah, I guess we'll have to try it out, and I'm gonna have to look into their cruelty-free status to see if I can use it. Hopefully I can, because I love eye creams. Can't get enough of them. Use them all the time. Next up is another full-size item. This is by the Brow Gal, which I looked recently. This is a cruelty-free brand. Hopefully this is in a shade I could use. So this is in the Brow Gal by Tonya Crooks, the pencil medium brown 04, and it looks like there is a sharpener attached, which is super cool. This is really big. Oh, and there's a spoolie too on the other end. So love that. I love that the sharpener's included, so it's not a pain at all. Let's swatch it and see. Hopefully it works, because if it doesn't, then I'll feel bad that I swatched it, but maybe I can make it work with a light hand. Oh, I mean, what's wrong? So it's a little dark. I'll try it out though. I've used the Brow Gal gel before, and I like that, and I think that was in brown too, but it might have been in brown 02, not medium brown 04. Hopefully I can make it work. If not, I'll have to hand it off to a friend since I just swatched it. I can't put it in a giveaway, but let's see how much this costs. This is $23, so wow. So this is adding a lot to the value of the box. Sometimes I do like the look of darker brows, even though I have light hair, so yeah, I'm excited to try it. I'm almost out of my current brow product, or my brow pencil, so I'm happy to get this. And then the last item is something I feel like I've gotten like 3 times already this year. This is the Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. So this is a hair oil. I do like it, but I'm going to be putting this one in a giveaway, because even though this is small, these things last a long time, because you only need a few drops, and you just put it at the ends of your hair, and it really does help your hair out. I think Moroccan oil is a great brand, and I do enjoy it, but yeah, this is like the 3rd one I've gotten this year. I don't know what other boxes I've gotten it in. I'm going to guess. I think I recently got one from Sephora, and my other one was probably from Birchbox. These are like, that's usually where I get like hair stuff from. So here is what it looks like. I think the packaging's cute. I love the blue. So one of you guys will be winning this. And let's see the full size pricing. The full size pricing is $44, but that is not full size, obviously. So that is everything. Definitely not my favorite month. It's not awful. I think what makes it for me is definitely like the gloss, because I will use this. I'm into glosses right now. I will have to check and see if I can use this eye cream. If anyone knows, please let me know down below if it's cruelty free. The brow product, hopefully it's not too dark. I'm gonna try it out. Sometimes I don't mind that darker look, like I said, so I'm happy to have this. And then there other 3 things are gonna go into my giveaway. So I don't really hate that, you know, like if I didn't have a channel I would be disappointed because I already have these things that just be like sitting around, you know, for a while. But since I do have a channel and I'm actually hosting a giveaway super soon, it's okay with me. But again, it's not like the most thrilling box I've ever opened. Hopefully the box is good. I know there's a collaboration coming up. I don't know if they've announced who it's with yet, but usually when they do collab, those boxes are extra good. Like the last one with Carly Bible, we got like a Natasha Denona single, which is really good, which I haven't used in a while. I should definitely pull that out, but I really liked that box. So it seems like every like 3 months or so the box is a totally killer, and then, you know, there's some hits and misses, but that's like with most boxes. But overall, I think I did get value out of this box just because like this gloss alone is $16. This is what, like 23 or whatever it was. So yeah, it's okay. Just okay. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye!